Good morning. Today's topic is emasculation and pollination in okra. This line is of Geo6 and the following line is of Pusa savani. We are selecting Geo6 as the female parent while we are selecting Pusa savani as the male parent. Okra is a self-pollinated crop, so it doesn't require insects for its pollination and fertilization. But okra is attracts bees for its pollination, so it is often cross-pollinated plant. The flower of okra is a hermaphrodite flower and it is a perfect flower. It has male and female both within the single plant. For the emasculation of okra will require an unopened bud. First we'll remove the calyx sheath and then we'll remove the calyx from the bud. Then the next step will be the removal of the petals, and then we'll remove the stamen column and the male part of the okra. We should only leave the female part, that is the stigma and the style of the okra. The emasculated flower is then bagged. We usually use forceps, but in this method we have used hand emasculation. After placing the bag, we'll just staple it or we'll tie it with a thread beneath the flower bud. We are selecting Pusa savani as the male parent. While selecting the male parent, we should look at the flower, which is 2 mm in diameter, which has 5 petals, which is white or yellow in color, and which has red or purple spot at the base of the flower. It has a staminal column which has 100 pollens or 100 anthers surrounding the female part. We will select such a male part and we'll pluck. We'll take such a flower. The anthesis occurs from 6 am to 10 am in the morning, and the pollens are viable for 5 to 10 minutes after dehiscence. For pollination of okra, according to the previously told measure, we'll select a flower which is an ideal one according to our preference. Then we'll go back to the previously bagged flower. We'll remove the emasculation. We will remove the bag. We'll take the anthers and pollens from the male flower selected, and then we'll place it gently over the stigma of the emasculated flower bud. After placing the pollens over the female, we'll bag it again. We can untie it with stapler or even with the threads. This is the plant which we have crossed, and this is the bud which we have emasculated, and then we have applied the pollens by ourselves.